We are here at the Red Fort. It's July the 5th today.
Battery okay?
Red Fort, and as you can see where the grass is, there used to be water and alligators used to be therein, so that no one can attack the fort. थोड़ा सा क्लाउडी रेनी सा हो जाता तो वैसे हवा है।
So there used to be water all around.
We are right at the entrance inside of the Red Fort right now. And this is the point where we salute to our country on August the 5th. This is all the craft jewelry stores inside the Red Fort. Because everybody has to drink, no? Then they have to have a mouth. See, all this was occupied by the CRPF. अंदर ही अंदर पता नहीं। मासी देख लो। हाय। Ready?
First was Babur, second was Humayun, third was Akbar, fourth was Jahangir, he was the sixth. So he was also grounded for at Agra, and after 10 years he wanted to shift the capital from Agra to Jaipur. So he had the position in 1639, completed in 1648, 9 years were taken. It is on the bank of River Yamuna and is an octagonal plan, providing 33.5 meter high walls working down, low walls, the protection was of river Yamuna. So, and it is providing to identical gates who are inner gate in Lahore. Now, this is Lahore. Lahore is basically Pakistan as well as West. West means Makkah. The main gate of the fort facing Makkah. Second gate on this side, south. And that was used by him for going to his weekly prayer in Jama Masjid. So that is not open for the The flag was raised by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and that ceremony is repeated at that wall every year on 15th August. And now, why it was chosen? Because this is the place for which Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave a call to his army at Singapore. Delhi chalo, pata nahi? Delhi chalo to अब तो सारी पार्टियां जहाँ से जुलूस लाती हैं दिल्ली चलो
तो सारी दिल्ली आ रही।
हाँ, तो दिल्ली चलो and remove the Union Jack and hoist the Indian national flag. So he gave it in Singapore. Army moved from there, and when they reached Burma, war came to end. So they were all arrested and kept in prison in this Red Fort, and they were also court-martialed in Red Fort. So this is very important. So that is why Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru chose this place to hoist the first Indian national flag. Netaji was his colleague. So this man, keeping in view his wishes, chose this place to hoist the first Indian national flag.
This is called Nakar Khana.
थोड़ा अंदर वॉक भी करते हैं।
आगे तो बहुत चलने को
Come here, all of you. Huh? This looks nice. This looks nice. Doesn't this look like Agra? It looks like Agra, huh? See?
Look, this is cross, Christian cross.
Okay.
And this is Hindu, this is Mughal, this is Persian, this is Hindu, and yellowness is gold. Now why Christian cross? Because Akbar had married 3 women, one Hindu, one Muslim, one Christian. And this influence of secularism remained for 2 more generations. Then they became fundamentalists. Aurangzeb was fundamentalist. He never liked father for mixing culture. He thought his father had corrupted Islam. So this is mixture of cultures. So then so that sitting there on his throne at 9 o'clock, when sun rays fall on it, we could have a nice view of the world. Reason, it is combination of 5 cultures. 5 arches on the top are Mughal, 5 arches below are Persian. All the flower plants taken from Hindu palaces. See the ceiling of the arch and railing, that is Turkish. Very simple carving is Islamic. So 5 cultures, Hindu, Muslim, Persian, Turkish, Mughal. Why? It was just to remind the emperor while making judgment that his subject is combination of various cultures. So while making judgment, that man should be careful, that no one should feel offended and discriminated with his judgment. It was going to be good.
We are moving towards the Diwan-e-Aam.
So, Diwan-e-Aam can be divided into 3 parts. First part was the ceremonial part. So in that part he was given guard of honor. And second part, Shamiana. 1 lakh rupees ka tha. And supported on silver cord, ground covered with carpet. His officer would stand in the hall, then Prime Minister would stand, there is a pedestal, then he would sit only. No sitting arrangement. Everyone remains standing when he was sitting. Now, come to the architecture, the arch is very simple. And then this is fire. There is no flame, flame. Lotus flower ke kono dono mein flame. So this is Persian. Parsis. This is Persian influence. And then lotus flower. Hindu, birthplace of Brahma. And then upside down lotus, Islamic. Then column is Greek. This Greek influence came with the invasion of Alexander the Great, the Greek. And then this is Assyrian. Syria and Iraq side, called Mesopotamia, touching Iraq and Mesopotamian civilization developed in Iraq. So this is Mesopotamian, this is Mughal arch with flower. Inside, ऐसी arch मिलेंगी आपको. And this is Islam, Arakan, Ruby, Samral, Malachite, turquoise, etc. on the same pattern as Taj Mahal at Agra. Because these were built almost same. Palki Namaha. This is like Palki. In the olden days, people used to sit in Palki. So this, behind the throne, there are many birds and flowers. That is Italian work executed by an artist from Florence. And then that is the entry point around. Like a carpet, it's a Persian design carpet. He would stand there with his file and a page, and his base was building with gold, all the inside of it.
It's a fleet.
And this architecture of the Diwan-e-Aam for gilded with gold, फिर यहीं पर इस्तेमाल होता है. Gold, how to use the hand for what? Rajasthan, Persian India. Rajasthan would be sure how the gold that it did not sit and stay far. Never drank even a water, glass of water. Then he went towards garden and he came telling them that he wanted damage of war. Because he wanted damage of war. He came on the claim that Mughal had become infidel. Because Muhammad Shah was very good, dancing, collecting women from combined dancing with them. So being Muslim, it would be clear that wanted to revive that culture so that they come carefully, so that the coming generation. So these are the palaces of the kings called Harem area, and that last palace was Harem area, and here lived Jahan Ara Roshan Ara, the name Mumtaz never saw this.
Only thing I have to be careful. This is that road.
It is beyond 80 years, and this went as Raj, the memorial of the Indian national leader. Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and then this is Yamuna, and then the and this is Sandy. So this is his palace, this is his king's palace. Sometimes he will sit at Agra. So this palace was used by 10 Mughal emperors as a residential palace. And these arches are Mughal, मैंने आपको बताया था. Why 5? 5 stand for 5 pillars of Islam, tenets of Islam था. इसलिए आप 5 ही arches पाओगे. On the capital you can see Kalash, Hindu symbol, water pot with flower. And then Persian and Hindu design, column Greek and base from Hindu temples. Windows he copied from Amber Palace, Rajasthan. These were damaged in 1803 by Jars of Bharatpur. They entered this road. This is water canal. This is called Stream of Paradise. On this side. So this is called Stream of Paradise. So water was lifted on a tower with the help of Persian weave and supplied to East Canal to keep the palaces cool. That is waterproof. On the bottom, big lotus flower. On the top, there was an ivory fountain. Ceiling was of silver. It was sold by the Mughals when they looted by Persian. So that is a routine performing hall. Day-to-day performances for the ladies were organized there, and ladies could sit both sides behind the curtain to watch the performances. These ceilings are decked with mirrors in Persian and Hindu style, Amber Palace ki tarah, so that ladies sitting below could see their faces above. When light was put, they could see hundreds of flickering light above. So all was spoiled because it was used as mess of the British Army by British Army, and it was kicked out by Lord Curzon when he started archaeological department in India.
It was destroyed by like all these things.
This building they are generally vandalized by the British. They wanted to spoil the Indian culture. Yeah, ये नहीं थी, ये बाद में अकबर शाह सेकंड ने लगवाई. Otherwise, it was powered with railing outside. So reason Shah Jahan would move every day 1 hour in the morning in his royal dress before going to Diwan-e-Aam to wave the people. So ऐसा था उस वक्त tradition था. People used to see him in the morning. And this is the balcony where stood King George V and Queen Mary of Britain. They came to India in 1911. Delhi the war was held. Kingsway Camp is the place here. So after their coronation in Kingsway Camp, they stood there and waved to people. अब ये गुम्बद से जाते. This is all painted in gold. Look at this original painted in gold by adding blue and green color, and looks like a carpet. So as they cover the floor, the same type of carpet. Above the gate, marble is translucent marble. When sun rises, sun rays come to this side, in the evening from that side. There are calligraphies that is about the foundation, the extent of the. So then these windows are like a veil. Marble, free of that. Because people find it was related to that. And it's transparent. And lower is Hindu Jali from Rajasthan. And in the upper portion is semicircle. In the semicircle moon there is. So why put it in front of the bed chamber? His idea was whosoever enter, when pressure is on, his right first form as well. So by making judgment in the whole, this balance will remind him about justice, fairness, and impartiality. Used by Shah Jahan at the time of inauguration of the fort. So when this was inaugurated, he came to this side by Muslim. Being Muslim, who was 82 years old, he was kept under confinement till India was colonized. So India was colonized from that only. Colonization जानते हैं? उसके लिए घोषणा की Victorian proclamation was issued from here in December 1857, bringing India under the British crown and disbanding the East India Company, Psychological Department. Otherwise, it was taken out by the British. Whole interior is painted with gold, liquid gold. Here it is 24 karat gold. Its ceiling is good. It was covered with gold and silver plates. And this was looted by Jats and Marathas in 1803. Maharaja Johar Singh of Bhartpur. और इसी के बीच में एक मार्बल का तख्त पड़ा है, जिसके ऊपर मयूर सिंहासन तख्ते ताऊस रखा हुआ था, जिसको बनाने में शाहजहां ने 100 किलोग्राम सोना लगाया था। 236 सिरे ज्वारात लगे हुए थे। कीमत थी 6 करोड़ रुपया उसी की उस समय। अभी तो उसकी कीमत प्राइसलेस है। इट इज़ नाउ इन ईरान। ईरान के बादशाह उसी पर बैठते थे। आखिरी बादशाह थे मोहम्मद रजा शाह पहलवी, आपको पता होगा। So when he ran away in 1979, Khomeini became president and throne was kept in the bank. अब बैंक में है, उसको बाहर लाते हैं हफ्ते में 2 दिन, और उनकी फीस है 5 यूरो, लगभग 300 से ज़्यादा यूरो महंगा हो गया। We remind you of the tent culture. And then very important with me, Nader Shah reached here in 1739. Ahmad Shah Abdali reached here after defeating Marathas in 1761. Ghulam Qadir Ruhela of Saranpur blinded Mughal Emperor in this building by polishing hot iron bars into his eyes. And in 1803, it was looted by Jats of Bhartpur, and in 1857, the army reached here from Meerut. And this is the place from where Bahadur Shah Zafar was supported them, and this is the place from where the first war of Indian independence was guided by him, and this is the place where he held his life. के पास इसमें उन पर मुकदमा चला था, और उनके वकील थे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, कैलाश नाथ कार्तिक, भोलाबाई देसाई, आसफ अली अब्दाली, और उनमें थे शाहनवाज खां, गुरबख्श सिंह ढिल्लों, डॉक्टर प्रेम कुमार सैगल, जानते हैं आप। तो उनको छोड़ा था जब भारत आज़ाद हो गया। तो ये जो है चेयर्स है लाइट एंड साउंड शो को उनको गार्डन है। ये मस्जिद है, पोती मस्जिद, औरंगजेब की बनाई हुई। 1659 में उसने इस मस्जिद को बनाया। कट्टरवादी मुसलमान थे, 5 बार नमाज मिस नहीं पढ़ते थे। तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी था कि मस्जिद जो हो वो महल के पास। पूरी इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर।
We are here in Agra today, July the 7th, to see Taj Mahal. The Red Fort in Agra. Shah Jahan was captured here and imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb. This is the Red Fort of Agra. This is another historical monument, sorry. We are finally here at Taj Mahal, and this is the view across from Yamuna, the sacred river of India. It's beautiful. This is Sonal and Angel. Sonal is also here with us from Aligarh. Agra. We are now going to go to Taj Mahal by this camel cart. This is my little angel in it.
The royal gate allowed. After that we have to take it. So Indian ticket here are the only 20 rupees. Distance from there. मारना नहीं नहीं मतलब करो बस डरा देना अपने देशी गति से कोई बात नहीं है हाँ ऐसे ही
We are at the entrance of Taj Mahal.
Yes, carry on. Yeah. You come this side. Yeah. Yeah, carry on, carry on, carry on. Yes, please. नहीं मुझे ऐसी वाली बात नहीं है हाँ उससे बताता हूँ आया रहने दादा आजा दादा हम भी
This is the main entrance to Taj Mahal.
आप भी खड़े हो यार ये हम किस दर्शन का
So which gate you have entered? That gate is called the Western Gate. So Eastern Gate. So Eastern Gate has made in the memory of the first wife of the Shah, whose name was the second wife, Western Gate. So Western Gate is in the memory of the Akbari Begum. Both wives have no children. So third gate for the third wife. She had only 14 children. Who was she was the Mumtaz Mahal. Her real name was Akbari Begum. If you see the gate, here are there. 11 domes are there, 11 inside, 11 outside, total are 22. The size of the letters looks like in same size, but all size of the letters are not in the same size. If you see this line goes towards the tomb of the Mumtaz Mahal also. That gate is high, the one highest like
16वां बच्चा देखते हैं मर गए 16वां बच्चा
He had 3 wives. Usually surprised that they have so many wives. हम आपको पे कर देंगे आप हमारा खींच
एक्चुअली जो मेन फोटो है वो मैं अपने में ले दूंगा बाकी आप
नहीं भैया हमको इतना बड़ा पैकेज नहीं चाहिए ना
12 फोटो मैडम मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगी आपको
कितने की ये
1200 रुपए की
नहीं हमें यहीं के हैं भैया हमारे पास अपनी फोटो है पुरानी अब तो बच्चों को दिखाने लाए तभी कह रहा हम आपको पे कर देते आप हमारी खींच नहीं 1000 की पैसे की बात नहीं अपने कैमरे कितना नहीं चाहिए
होल्ड ऑन
25 अपना नाम और अपना शहर बताइए मुझे
ये तो ले सकते किसने
25 अब भाई तुम्हारे खड़े करके सारे
सवाई मत
नहीं करें सवाई याद लगा इसलिए दिया भाई ठीक है कल क्या
ये फाइनली ताज महल
नहीं यार वो
मेरा अलग था आपका अलग था लाल नहीं मेरा तो ऐसी है
It is the first wonder of the world. And Angel, you're welcome to Taj Mahal, sweetheart.
निकालना हो ना बात सुनो तो ये लो निकालना हो तो
और आगे चलिए मैडम सेंटर में अब ये मैडम आई चल गई अरे हाँ यार पहली बार कर रहा हूँ वीडियो आप
This gate is called और ये भी called
आप बताओ एक मिनट ऊंचा बोलोगे क्या
So Mom understood the three promises from the Shahada. And first, if you love the truth, make the most. If you love the truth, don't get married again. If you love very much, love my children. If you love only me, make the monument in the memory of me. Mom understood the promise from the Shahada. And now you are looking there. There is a Taj Mahal with 4 minarets. The 4 minarets are the leaning 3 degrees out. And all the stones are the precious stones. When the rays of the sunlight comes on top of the Taj Mahal, that's all the colorful stones that shines like a diamond, like a gold in the sunset time, in the evening time, and the moonlight time, it's all the precious stones glowing like twinkling stars. Left hand side of the Taj Mahal have the mosque, the royal mosque. On right hand side, guest house, royal guest house. And here all the 53 fountains are there. Everything has come in 1653. And if you see there, the height of the gate is 105 feet high. Different chapters of the Quran have written over this place. Not only here, it has written over there also. The height of the Taj Mahal is 285 feet high. If you see the top of the natural the moon, there have some sign of the symbol of the Hindus. If we see that points, some more distance looks like a cross. Christians, Hindus and Muslims engineers work for this place. Main architecture was the Isa Ifandi. He came from the Turkish. He was a Turkish person. And if you see, they concentrate on all the stones. The different countries, all the stones has come. If we have to, you are looking over the black stones. That is the black onyx stones. And black onyx has come from the Belgium. And the leaves of the flowers of the flowers. That is the jasper stones, which has come from the Afghanistan. There have some green stones and leaves of the green. That is the stone, his name is the malachite, which has come from the South Africa and the Russia too. You are looking here the red sand stones. The red sand stones has come from the Fatehpur. And the marble has come from the Rajasthan, such as the Makrana stones. And we will see some more stones also inside. That is a blue color of the stones, which has come from Iran, from where the Mumtaz was there. She came from there.
This is the western gate. where they have still a bazaar. 7 generations have still continuing with the business over there. We are on our way back to our parking after seeing Taj Mahal.
मेरा अपना बिजनेस है।
खुशी हुई सर।
We are at a craft store, and this is another crafted Taj Mahal. These are the elephants crafted from marble in one piece of a marble stone, and if we go more closer we can view that they have, without any cutting and joining, they have crafted another baby elephant inside this big elephant. This is, we are at the craft store where they're showing how with different lights you can view marble. We are on our way back to Aligarh. This is the other side of the Red Fort of Agra.
सीधे जाना है, वाटर बताएंगे, राइट लेके अलीगढ़ 85 देखने के लिए दिखेंगे 75% में आते रहता 25% बता शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे पंचायत न कोई कहानी देखो देखो शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे पंचायत न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिल।
This is also one of the places where the royal Mughals stayed, and it is across the river Yamuna.
अभी हम लोग फ्राइडे को ताज बंद रहता ना सर, हम लोग इधर से घुमाने के बाद ये बिल्डिंग से ले जाके पीछे से ताज दिखाते हैं, यहाँ से मतलब जो चलो की शूटिंग वगैरह होती है ना।